In this video, we're going to be looking at how to recover a suspended X or Twitter account in 2026. So let's just get straight into the video. First thing first, open any browser that you prefer using and head into this site right over here, which is going to be help.x.com, just like that. Now you're going to be on this page. You want to click on the search bar and simply go ahead and search for suspended. As you can see, it will say about suspended Periscope accounts. You could also look for account or about suspended accounts and tap on that. You're going to be on this page. Simply go ahead and read all the rules right over here. And if you have already or if you have not violated any of the rules, then you can simply go ahead and take steps to unsuspend your account. So if you see a login or if you log in into your account and see a prompt that asks you to provide your number or confirm your email, just follow the instructions to get your account suspended. But if you're seeing a locked account, then just click on get help unlocking account right over here. And now you want to simply head to contact their support team right over here and just tell them everything about your details. So right over here, you can just mention whatever your problem is and then just submit it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.